Hey, it's Jeremy, the one-eyed computer guy. Today we're taking a look at replacing a hard drive on a Dell Inspiron 3521. You're going to need a small Phillips head screwdriver, 2 minutes of your time, and it's pretty easy to do. Dell made a ton of these Inspiron 3521s in the Inspiron 3000 series, so this is a pretty common repair. First and foremost, remove the battery and any and all power sources from the machine. On the bottom there is a back panel that has two screws we're going to need to remove and pull up on the panel. That'll reveal the hard drive in the bottom left hand corner of the machine. It has two screws that we're going to need to remove and save because we'll replace them on the next drive. And once we have those removed, we'll slide the drive back while lifting up on the provided plastic tab. Once the drive's out, there are a couple bracket screws holding it into place. We'll need to put that onto the new drive, and then the drive goes back in the same way it came out. Use that little plastic tab to guide you back into the connector, and don't forget to replace the screws. Those are important for the stability of the machine. All said and done, you can put the back panel on and replace the battery, and you're on to the next step of installing the operating system. Thanks for watching.